Okay, welcome to the SF City Guides Shiftboard Training for tour coordinators. My name is Katie, and I'll be leading the training today. So let me go ahead and start sharing my screen. So this is the login page for Shiftboard, the scheduling platform we're now using. You can see the URL at the top. It's just shiftboard.com/sfcityguides. And so this is where you're going to put in your username, which is just your email, and your password. This was emailed to you initially, and you were able to change your password at that point if you wanted to, or you can just keep the generic password that they emailed you. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. This is the page that it takes you to. You don't really need to spend much time here if there are any updates that might be posted here, but in general, this page is just going to be a placeholder that you see when you initially log in. But what you're going to want to click on almost every time you log in is calendar. So the calendar defaults to a weekly view of what's going on this week. So I, in this demo, am a TC for the Haight Ashbury tour. And so you can see there's one tour that's happening or that happened on Sunday from at 11 a.m. So there are two ways that TCs can choose to schedule their guides for walks. One is a sign up list, and one is what we're calling first come, first serve. So, with the sign up list option, all of your guides have the opportunity to sign up for whatever tour they're available for. And then you, as a TC, will come in and officially assign them. So, say tour guide A is doing this one, tour guide B is doing this one, tour guide C is doing this one, and so forth. So you have to go in and officially assign a guide to each tour. With first come, first serve, the first guide that sees it can sign themselves up and they're officially assigned to that walk. So that's more designed for smaller tours where there are less tour guides signing up, and therefore it's fine if the first one who sees it takes that tour. Um, so those are the two options, and it's going to depend on what you choose, how you interact with the system. So I'm going to be showing you both ways, but this is something that you'll have to make a decision about pretty quickly. So I'm going to start with a sign up list. So the first step is creating a walk. This is mostly going to be already done for you. So the only time that you're going to need to create a walk is if there's a bonus tour. So something that's not on the regularly planned, every Sunday or every fourth Monday schedule. So to do that, I'm going to go into Thursday and I'm just going to press anywhere. I'm going to click anywhere in the box. And it's going to pop up with this quick add box. So I'm going to first select the tour, just Haight Ashbury. I'm going to select the time. So let's say I want it at 11 a.m. I'm going to change it to hours and minutes. And I'm going to say it ends 2 hours later. So I selected the tour, I selected the beginning and end time. And now what I need to do is hit this edit details button, scroll down, and hit sign up list. So again, what I did is I selected the tour, I selected the shift beginning and end time, and I selected sign up list. Those are the only three things you need to do on this page, and then you're able to press post. So now there's a tour right here, 11 a.m., and it is sign up list available. The other way to schedule a tour is, like I said, the first come, first serve option. So the same steps are going to apply. I'm going to click into the anywhere in the day. So I'm going to do Friday this time. And I'm going to do three things again. I'm going to select the tour. I'm going to select the beginning and end time. And then I'm gonna hit edit details, and what I want selected is allow pickup, which is actually the default. So you don't actually have to do anything if you are choosing to the first come, first serve option. But again, the three things that need to be there are the tour name, the shift beginning and end time, and allow pickup. And then I'm just gonna press post. So now I have my 2 walks on here. Now we're gonna switch to how guides are gonna see this. And so for the sign up list, how guides are gonna sign up is they're gonna click on available. So once they see a tour that they wanna sign up for, they're gonna click available and then click sign up list right here. They can see the details of the tour, and if they are good with those details, then they hit sign up. They can leave a message for you, so this can be something like, "My cousin's in town and I'd really like to lead this walk," or something like that. They don't have to leave a message, but that's an option. And then they're just gonna hit sign up. For first come, first serve, they're gonna hit available, and all they need to do is press take this shift. They're gonna confirm it. They're gonna say, "Yes, confirm this time." And now you can see it's taken by me. So that is a big difference between the two is that as a TC, you now, for the first come, first serve option, don't need to do anything. That guide is officially assigned to that walk. And as you can see in the system, it shows up as taken. Whereas the sign up list, as you can see, it still says available even though there's someone on the sign up list. So let's go back into that one and I'll show you how to officially sign someone up for that walk. So you're gonna do the same as the guides did. You're gonna hit available. Over here in this box that pops up, you're gonna hit sign up list. And you can see now there's one person on the sign up list. So instead of choosing any of these buttons, I'm actually gonna choose manage list here over on the side. So here would be a list of everyone that signed up. As you can see, for now, I'm the only one that signed up, but if 3 people had signed up, there would be a list of 3 names. So I can go ahead and click this checkbox by my name and then click assign selected. So again, I'm just clicking the checkbox by my name and hitting assign selected. Now, when I go back into my calendar, that tour is going to be green as well. So those are the 2 ways that you can both create a walk and sign guides up for those walks. Again, there are 2 options. There's the sign up list, which was the Thursday tour that I showed you, and there is first come, first serve, which is the Friday tour that I showed you. The last thing I want to show you relates to the sign up list, and it's a report that you can run of all of the signups that you have for your given tour. This can come in handy when you're looking to schedule a lot of guides all at the same time or a lot of tours all at the same time, and you want to see where guides have signed up multiple times, how many tours they're wanting to give, and stuff like that. So to get into reports, you're going to click this little paper button here at the top. So I'm at the top right hand right now, and I'm clicking this little paper button that if I hover over it, says reports. I'm going to choose the first option, which is the shifts report. These are all of the general reports that you would need to use. And so these are the options. I can choose shift schedules extended, etc. But what I want is the sign up list report. And you can see on here, my sign up that I just did was on here, and another sign up is on here as well. You can see the status is both assigned. If they weren't yet assigned, they would be unassigned, and that's what you would really be looking for. But this is a report that can come in handy when you have a lot of signups that have been on there. And that's really it. That is the bulk of what TCs are going to need to do in the system. So again, you're really under calendar and you are either watching guides sign up if you are on a first come, first serve basis, or you're managing the sign up list if you're on the sign up list basis. If you have any questions, you can definitely email Jeff and he can help you. But that is all I have for you right now.